Hi guys! In this video, I will guide you on the process of depositing money into your Payoneer account. But before we get into that, there are some things you need to check. First things first, if this is your first time adding funds to your Payoneer account, and as you can see on their help center, so before you add funds, Payoneer might need some extra information about you and your business. So this is just a step to make sure everything is secure and in order, so you need to gather those details before you start and you'll be good to go. So next is you need to keep in mind that you can't use all receiving accounts to add funds. So to see the ones available for adding funds, just check out your receiving accounts page. This is a quick way to know your options. Then for the final checklist in adding funds is to confirm that the name of the bank account holder aligns with the company name specified in your Payoneer profile. So this ensures a seamless and trouble-free transaction process. Now let's go on adding funds to your Payoneer account. So begin by navigating to your homepage and click on Add Funds within any of the balance boxes. Now once you're in, just select View Accounts to proceed. Then from there, just click on Get Paid and then access Receiving Accounts. Now to streamline the process, just toggle on the option that says Only Accounts for adding funds. So this step ensures that you're choosing from the accounts specifically designated for adding funds. And that's basically it. Following these steps will guide you seamlessly through the process, making the addition of funds to your Payoneer account a smooth experience. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, share this content, and subscribe for more guides and tips.